Okay, car is all ready to go, loaded up. So you get some gas and head out to the track. I met up with the guys, got all my stuff unloaded, came down and passed tech. Now there's nothing left to do but go drifting. Not sure how many we're doing, but I guess we're doing 4. I think we're following the Mustang. Here we go. First tandem line. Run. Fucking crazy, but kind of sick. Kind of sick. That was tough. I tried the faint entry and I just overcooked it a little too much. Threw it. way, like not really, but way better than one.
Had to clutch in. bent some. My wheel is definitely not straight now. It's not vibrating a ton, so I'm hoping I'll be able to drive it home, but that's rough. Not what I was hoping to do there. I hope he's alright. I'm mainly worried about his car than mine. My car, whatever.
Back from Evergreen, as we saw, bent tie rod. But you can see this wheel straight, steering wheel straight, this wheel towed out there. That's where the tie rod bent. So once we get that fixed, we'll be all set. Felt like we got a lot of laps in. Definitely improved our driving a whole bunch. It's a whole different game having 3 cars on the track at once versus just going solo. But it was a lot of fun. Gonna have to add tie rods to my travel kit, so I have some extra ones if this happens again, because it'd be nice to be able to just swap that out and get back on the track. So anyways, thanks for checking out the video. Appreciate you watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to get more, because we'll be back at it again. Take it easy.